Hi students, welcome back to the online class in mathematics. My name is Vishwanath. Today we are going to see a few more questions from the melting and recasting problems. This type of problems we have seen already in the past two classes. Let us continue with the same topic, melting and recasting problem, with some more examples. See, as you know, in melting and recasting problem, volume of a solid before the melting is equal to volume of the solid after the recasting. That means volume of the solid or solids, anything. If solids are there, many, only solid, it is a single. So volume of the solid, a single solid, before melting. Volume of the solid before melting is always equal to the volume of the solid or solids. Sometimes one solid is converted into many, otherwise many is converted into one. So in such cases, if many is there, you have to use n into. So check out the question. In that question, a solid is given or solids in plural given. Very careful. In such cases, volume of the solid before melting is always equal to the volume of the solid or solids after recasting. This is the concept we are following in melting and recasting. I repeat again, volume of the solid before melting. Before melting, what was the solid? Solid or solids, that is always equal to volume of the solid or solids after the recasting. 2015 question will take. This is the question given in 2015 board paper. Two solids, check here, two solids, not a solid, two solids, two solid spheres of radii 2 centimeter and 4 centimeter are melted and recast into a cone, single cone, a cone. Here two solid spheres, two spheres are converted into single cone, a cone of height 8 centimeter. Question is, find the radius of the cone so formed. So in this question, two solids, the number of solid spheres also given, how many cones also given. So in this question, we need not to find out how many spheres are there, how many cones are there, because already they told two spheres are there, a single cone is there. So the number of spheres and number of cones were already given. So therefore the question might be some other unknown finding. In this question, find the radius of the cone. Radius of the cone is asked, not how many spheres, how many cones, because already the number of spheres and number of cones in this question already given. So we need to find out radius of the cone. So we write here in the solution, volume of the two spheres, volume of the two spheres is equal to, volume of the two spheres is equal to volume of the cone or volume of a cone. This THE take out and write volume of the two spheres is equal to volume of a cone. So two spheres volume is equal to single cone, because they converted two spheres together into a single cone. Now volume of two sphere, actually we have to write 2 is a number, 2 into sphere formula is 4 by 3 pi r cube. But the problem is, if both the spheres are identical, remember, if both the spheres are identical, you have to write two spheres. But here two spheres of radii 2 centimeter and 4 centimeter. Both two spheres are there, but both the spheres are not having same radius. That means one sphere is smaller and another sphere is having 2 times the radius of the previous one. So the smaller sphere and bigger, two different spheres they are taking, not identical. If the spheres are identical, you can write directly volume of two spheres. because both the spheres are identical, no? So we can write directly two spheres, 2 into 4 by 3 pi r cube. But here one sphere and other sphere, there are two spheres are there, of course, but both the spheres are of not same radii, both are of different radius. Therefore what we have to do, if two spheres have taken but both are having different radii, so we should not write 2 into 4 by 3 pi r cube. We have to write like this, 4 by 3 pi r cube plus 4 by 3 pi r cube. So this 4 by 3 pi big R cube is the radius of bigger sphere. Again I wrote the sphere volume formula twice. 4 by 3 pi r cube is the radius of bigger one. So this is the volume of the bigger sphere, 4 by 3 pi r cube. The smaller r written, no? This is the formula to find out volume of the smaller sphere. Volume of the bigger sphere plus volume of the smaller sphere is equal to volume of a cone, single cone, no? So pi r square h by 3. You know that cylinder is pi r square h by 3. If you put, it is a cone. Now, so this formula we should not take. The smaller sphere and bigger sphere, this is the smaller sphere volume, this is the bigger sphere volume. But in both 4 by 3 is common, even pi also common, take out. 4 by 3 pi, 4 by 3 common, take out, we will get r cube plus r cube inside the bracket, big R cube plus small r cube is equal to pi r square h by 3. Now you can cancel pi cancelled both the side, even 3 also get cancelled. When both are in the addition, don't cancel the pi and 3, because before cancelling pi and 3 it should be product multiplication. So 4 by 3 pi and 4 by 3 pi take out of common from both the terms, r cube plus r cube remains inside the bracket. Now which are the numbers or variables left after the cancellation? Here 4 is left, right? After that bracket is there. R cube is what? Radius of bigger sphere. Radius of bigger sphere how much? 4. Smaller sphere is 2. 4 cube plus 2 cube is equal to this side r square h. Radius of cone is not given, that is the question. Height is 8 given. Height is 8 centimeter divided by nothing, because 3 and 5 both cancelled. Now here 4 into 4 cube is how much? It is 4 into 4 into 4. So 4 into 4, 16. 16 4s are 64. Plus 2 into 2 into 2. 2 3 is not, 2 3s are 6. It is 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2 4. 4 into 2 8. 4 3s is not 12. 4 into 4 into 4. 4 cube means 4 is multiplied 3 times. It is 64. Close the bracket. Here radius of the cone is unknown, because that is the main question, and 8 as it is, right? Height of the cone. 4 into 64 plus 8. If you add, it becomes 72 is equal to r square into 8. Now r square we need to find out now. Shift the 8 on the LHS side, it comes in the denominator. Now 8 ones are 8 nines are 8 nines are 72. Now r square is equal to 4 into 9 how much? 36. 4 nines are 36. Now but it is r square, we need only r. R is equal to root of 36. As you know, when we are applying square root on the other side, it must be plus or minus. Remember, plus or minus root 36. It is a quadratic equation, pure quadratic equation. R square is equal to 36. R is equal to plus or minus 36. Then we will get plus or minus 36 root is how much? Square root of 36 is 6. But radius cannot be negative. We know that, therefore radius is 6 centimeter. Negative radius cannot be possible. Therefore radius is equal to plus 6 centimeter. That is the correct. So the radius of the cone so formed was the question, right? It is 6 centimeter. Got it? We go to the next question. 2019. We'll take 2019. In 2019, what type of the question was there? A solid metallic sphere. So all solid metallic sphere, that means how many spheres are there? Only one sphere. A solid metallic sphere, only one sphere of radius 6 centimeter is melted and made instead of recast word they have used made into a solid cylinder. So again, a solid sphere, one sphere is taken, its radius is 60 meter, is melted and made it into a solid cylinder. Again, one cylinder only. One sphere is converted into one cylinder of height 32 centimeter. Of height 32 centimeter. The question is find. Two questions are there. First sub question: the radius of the cylinder. The radius of the cylinder find out. Second question is curved surface area of the cylinder. Curved surface area of the cylinder. CSA means curved surface area. There are two sub questions. 4 marks question is this. A solid metallic sphere is melted and made into solid cylinder. So we go for the solution of first sub question. Actually first sub question is from melting and recasting. Second sub question is direct by using curved surface area formula of the cylinder. So what is converted into what? Volume of a sphere. One sphere, right? Volume of a sphere is converted into what? Volume of a cylinder. That means one sphere is converted into one cylinder. There is no many. Volume of a sphere formula is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Before writing sphere formula, careful, it is a hemisphere or hollow sphere or hollow hemisphere. In hemisphere, the sphere value is reduced by half of that. In hollow sphere, radius become double r cube minus r cube. In a hollow hemisphere, both changes. Volume of a cylinder, it is a hollow cylinder or cylinder, only cylinder, so therefore write pi r square h. You know that volume of cylinder is pi r square h. If it is cone, by 3. If 3 is removed, it is cylinder. If 3 is put in the denominator, that is cylinder. Now both the side what is cancelled, only pi is cancelling. Now the remaining are 4 into radius of sphere. What is the radius of sphere in the question? 6. That 6 is radius or diameter, check it once again. If it is diameter, take the half of that. It is radius, directly write. It is r cube, no? So 6 into 6 into 6 by 3. The 3 is left in the denominator. 4 is left, 3 is left. R cube is 6 into 6 into 6. R square h, radius of the cylinder. Radius of the cylinder is not given. We have to find out. Into h is height of the cylinder. Look at the height of the cylinder, 32 centimeter. All are in centimeter. Now we'll shift this 32 this side. 4 into 6 into 6 into 6 by 3. This 32 is shifted here. It comes in the denominator like this. Isn't it? This 32 is shifted in the LHS. 4, 6, 6, 6 already in the numerator. 3 in the denominator. Right side 32 is shifted to the LHS. It comes in the denominator and it will be standing next to 3. Okay. Now 4 ones are 4 eights are. 4 8s are 32. 3 1s are 3 2s are 6. Correct, no? Again 2 1s are 2 4s are. Correct. Next again 2 2s are 2 3s are. Again 2 1s are 2 3s are. Finally we will get 3 into 3 9. 9 is equal to r square. R is equal to square root 9. When we put square root, always it should be plus or minus. Then r is equal to plus or minus 3. Radius never be negative, therefore it is 3 centimeter. Plus 3 centimeters correct. So why are we taking for root 9 plus or minus 3? Because plus 3 into plus 3 is also 9. Minus 3 into minus 3 is also 9. Correct, no? Plus 3 into plus 3 also 9. Minus 3 into minus 3 also 9. So this 9 can be plus 3 into plus 3 also. 9 is also can be minus 3 into minus 3, which is correct. It can be both. Plus 3 into plus 3 also correct. Minus 3 into. That's why for 9, what we write? Plus or minus 3 we write. Because 2 plus 3 is also giving 9. 2 minus 3 also giving 9. But radius never be negative, no? So in that plus or minus 3 we are selecting only 3. But in algebra, to find out the variable value plus or minus 3, you have to consider both plus 3 also minus 3 also. In geometry usually we ignore the negative value. Final answer is 3 centimeter, but problem is not yet finished. So we have finished just first sub question. I wrote first sub question. The radius of the cylinder we found. Now curved surface area of the cylinder. curved surface area of the cylinder. So which is the curved surface area of the cylinder? The rolling part. See this up and down, what is that? These two are called as bases. This base is in the form of circle, no? So we are using pi r square here. But curved surface area is this rolling part that is around the cylinder. This curved surface area, to find out what formula we are using, 2 pi r h formula we are using. Curved surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi r h. Now we'll substitute 2 into pi value is in the question. If it is not given, always take it as 22 by 7. If pi value is given, use the same. If it is not given, 22 by 7. But in melting and recasting, when we equate the volume, that time the use of pi is not required, because both the side pi and pi get cancelled. Without pi we calculate in melting and recasting problem. But it is not melting and recasting, it is direct formula. In such cases pi don't cancel, because pi is not cancelling either side of the equation. 22 by 7. Radius was unknown before, now we know that radius. See, look at 3, right? Height is already given, 8 centimeter. Sorry, it is 32 centimeter. Height is 32 centimeter. Now this 7 is not cancelling any of the numerator, just leave it. 2 into 22, it is 44. Again here 3 into 32. 3 into 32 is what? 96. So we'll multiply these two again. 4 6 are 24, 2 carry, 4 9 are 36, 38. Again 384. Now it is 4, it is 2, it is 2, it is 4. 4, it is 12, 1 carry, 11, it is 12, again 1 carry, 4. 4 2 2, 4. 4 2 2 4 by 7 centimeter. It is curved surface area. Area is always measured in square units, volume measured in cube units. So it is area, no, centimeter square. This is the answer of the curved surface area of the cylinder. So still this answer you can keep it in decimal, but when you divide from the 7, we get recurring decimal. We get recurring decimal answer. So better you leave it as it is, or you can keep the answer in at least 2 decimal places. We got this problem. We move on to the next problem. This is from 2020. Your senior-most batch have attended this question. A solid, let us see how was that problem. A solid sphere. How many spheres are there? A solid sphere, a single sphere. Ball. It is in, a sphere is in the shape of ball only. Of radius 6 centimeter is melted and recast into 64 identical spherical marbles. See, already it is a solid sphere. It is already a sphere. A solid spherical ball is taken and it is melted and recast into 64 identical spherical marbles. So sphere is taken, they have converted into sphere only again. The taken is sphere and converted also sphere only, but it is a big sphere, a solid sphere. It is a big sphere. It is converted into 64 small spherical balls. And how many spherical balls are made? Also given 64. So here the bigger sphere how many? 1. The smaller sphere 64. Therefore both the counts are given. This is a single sphere. It is a 64 sphere. Therefore the question is not how many. The question can be some unknown finding. Find the radius of each marble. Look at here, the question is not how many marbles are formed, because already they gave 64 marbles, so they never ask how many marbles are formed. Instead of that, find the radius of the marble. So once we see this is melting and recasting problem, we go for the equation in the LHS is equal to RHS form. Volume of a sphere ball is equal to volume of 64 spherical marbles. like that only should write. Volume of a sphere ball, only one ball. Volume of 64 identical marbles. If number of spherical marbles are not given, we have to write n spherical balls. Here 64 is given, so 64 spherical balls. Volume of sphere is what? 4 by 3 pi r cube. It is a single sphere, no? 4 by 3 pi r cube. Here volume of 64 spheres are there. So what we have to write? 64 into sphere. 64 spheres are there. 64 into sphere. All spheres are identical, therefore we have to write 64 into 4 by 3 pi. If spheres are not identical, we have to write 4 by 3 pi r cube twice. That already we did in one problem, remember. So in this problem we did. So here 4 by 3 pi r cube we wrote twice. The reason is here both the spheres are having different radius, so we use the formula twice. But here all 64 spherical barbels are what? Identical. When it is identical, 64 into 4 by 3 pi r cube directly write. Now 4 3 3 cancel, even 4 4 also cancels, and pi pi also cancels. Only constants cancel, don't cancel radius, height, like that. Now r cube is what? Radius of bigger sphere. What is the radius of bigger sphere? Here 6 centimeter. So it is 6 into 6 into 6 r cube. 64 is left into, here r cube is left. This radius of this identical sphere is not given. Okay, radius is unknown. Now r cube keep it here. 64 bring this side. 6 into 6 into 6 by 64. Okay, now we cancel by 4 table or 2 table. 2 3s are 2 3s are 2 2s are. Correct. Again 2 3s are 2 18s are. 2 3s are 2 3s are and 2 2s are. Again 2 3s are 2 18s are. Again 6 1s are 6 9s are. 6 1s are 6 9s are. Sorry, 6 3s are. 6 1s are 6 3s are. And this 3 and this 3 get cancelled. Now we get r cube is equal to only 3 we get. R cube is equal to 3. That 3 here cancelled. See, again we repeat the calculation. 2 3s are 2 3s are 2 2s are. Isn't it? 2 3s are 2 3s are and 2 2s are. Again 2 3s are 2 18s are. Not it is 18s are, 2 16s are. 2 16s are. So 2 3s are, 2 1s are, 2 6s are, 2 16s are. Again 2 3s are, 2 8s are. Like that will go. 2 3s are, 2 8s are. Finally, there is no still more cancellation. This 3 as it is left, 3 as it is left, 3 as it is left. Here 8. So finally we will get 3 into 3 into 3, 27 by here 8. So 2 3s are, 2 32s are, 2 3s are, 2 16s are, 2 3s are, 2 8s are. 3 3 3 left. Here 8 is left. Okay, these 3 are not cancelled. 3 3 3 as it is there, and 8 is as it is there, no cancellation. We wrote 3 into 3 into 3, 27, 8 as it is. Now r is equal to, it is not square root, it is cube root. Cube is taken on the other side, it is cube root. If you won't write here 3, it is taken as square root, so write 3. 27 by 8. Here in the cube root, no need to put plus or minus, just leave it as it is. 27 by 8. So 27 cube root is what? 3 into 3 into 3 only 27. Correct. Now therefore cube root of 27 is 3. Now 8. 8 is what? 2 into 2 into 2 only 8. Then the cube root of 8 is 2. Therefore radius is equal to 1.5 centimeter. 3 by 2 or 1.5 centimeter. That is the radius of the 64 identical marbles formed. This was a 2020 board paper question. In the next class, let us have more problems regarding the combinations of solids. combination of solids problems we'll have in the next class. Until then, bye from me. Thank you.